Hello everyone, today our topic is how to send automated WhatsApp message to your physiotherapy clinic lead. So suppose I'm running a physiotherapy clinic and I'm getting a lot of Facebook leads. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my physiotherapy clinic, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. And for sending the message, I'm going to use Vati. So here I need to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Vati. For creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation. In this, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Vati. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send automated WhatsApp message to our Facebook lead for physiotherapy clinic. So here, this is my Facebook page and this is the name of my physiotherapy clinic, which is named as Peak Performance Physio, and this is the name of my Facebook page. So in my Facebook page, I'm promoting my clinic and I have posted an ad campaign on my page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. Now what I need to do is I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to all the Facebook leads that I'm getting for my physiotherapy clinic. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my physiotherapy clinic, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. And for sending the WhatsApp message, we are going to use Vati, which is an official WhatsApp API. So here we are going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Vati. And for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And here, this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and this will take us to this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Now I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send automated WhatsApp message to your physiotherapy clinic lead. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. Now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this and now I have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have two options here, page and the lead generation form. So I have to select my Facebook page and the lead generation form. And for this, I will go to Facebook. So this is my page, which is named as Peak Performance Physio. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this menu. I will go to Meta Business Suite and I will go to all tools here. And in all tools, I'm going to find this instant forms. I'm going to open this. And in this, I have this one lead generation form, which is named as physiotherapy form. So I'm going to open this and this is my form. And we have these information here, email, full name and the phone number. And this is how my form look like. Now I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first I have to select my page. So for selecting the page, you need to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. And I'm going to use this Peak Performance Physio page. So I'm going to select this. And similarly, you have to select your lead generation form. So you have to open this tab and you will find all the forms that you have connected with your page. So I'm going to use this physiotherapy form. Now we have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of a lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sample submission and I'm going to make sure that my lead generation form is live. So to create the sample submission, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So let's go back to Meta for Developer. And in Meta for Developer, I will go to More and I will open Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to find this Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. So we are going to use this tool, and in this we have page and the form. So I will select my page. So I'm going to open this tab, and this is my page which is named as Peak Performance Physio. So I'm going to select this, and my form is automatically selected, which is physiotherapy form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on Preview Form button, and I'm going to fill dummy details in my form to create a sample submission. So I'll click here. So this is how my form look like, and I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my email will be demouser@pabblytudes.com, and I have to give a full name. So my full name will be demouser, and I have to give a phone number. So this phone number will also be the WhatsApp number of my lead. So I'm going to fill my WhatsApp number here. So this is going to be the WhatsApp number that my lead uses. So I'm going to click on Next. I will click on Submit, and I have created this particular lead. So now I have submitted my form. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have received this particular response. So my email is demouser@pabblytudes.com, and this is the full name, which is demouser, and this is the random number and the WhatsApp number of my lead. Now I have all these details, so I'm going to use this particular number and I'm going to send an automated WhatsApp message to this particular number about my physiotherapy lead. So for this, I will set up my Actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab of Actions tab, and here my action application will be Vati. So I'm going to select Vati here. And now I have to give an action event. So for that, I'm going to open this tab, and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. Now I will connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection. And to connect Vati, I have to give API endpoint and the access token. So where I'm going to get these two details, I will find this in Vati. So let's go back to Vati, and I will go to API docs. And here I have this access token and API endpoint. So I'm going to copy this API endpoint. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste it here. Now I need the access token. So I'll go back to Vati. I will copy this access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to paste it here. Now we click on Save, and my connection here is successful. Now I have to map these details to send an automated WhatsApp message to my particular lead. So first I have to give the WhatsApp number. So for this, I'm going to use mapping, and I'm going to map that number here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for map, I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of Facebook lead ads. And in this, I have this phone number. So I'm going to map this. Now I have to select my template. So I will go back to Vati. I will go to templates. And in this, I'm going to use this particular template, which is named as Physio Lead. And here you have to first create a new template. For that, you have to click here on New Template message, and you have to create a template according to you. And you have to first get the approval from Vati. So I have got this approval, and I'm going to use this template, Physio Lead. So I'm going to show you this. So this is my template, and it is named as Physio Lead, categories marketing, language is English US. And I have this broadcast title, which is the name of my clinic, which is named as Peak Performance Physio. And I have this body of message, which is hello name. So name is a variable, and this is going to change according to my lead that I'm getting. And we have received your lead, and our team member is gonna connect with you very soon, and you can schedule your appointment with them. Thank you for contacting us. Regards, Team Peak Performance Physio. So this is the message that I want to send to my lead for my physiotherapy clinic, and you can customize this message according to you. So now I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and here first I have to give my broadcast name. So my broadcast name is of my physiotherapy clinic. So I'm going to type that here. Now I have to fill custom params, and this is the most important step. So I want to avoid mistakes here. So custom params should always be in this particular format. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste here. So custom params are always in name value pair. So for this, I'm going to clear this color in the name section. And I have to fill my name. So for this, I have to give the name of my variable that I have in my template. So I will go back to Vati, and here I have this only one variable, which is of name. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect, and I will type name here. And in the value section, I will clear this blue, and I'm going to map the value of my name. So I'm going to open the response of Facebook lead ads, and this is the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this, and this will change according to the new leads that I'm getting. Now here I only have one variable in my message, so I have used this one format. And if you have more than 2 variables, what you need to do is you need to give a comma here and you need to follow this format again. So now I have filled all my details here, and now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have received this particular response. So this is a positive response, and this means I have sent this automated WhatsApp message automatically to my new Facebook lead that I got from my Facebook lead ads for my physiotherapy clinic. So to check this, I will go to WhatsApp, and here we can see that I have received this particular message. So I'm going to open this. So I have received this message from this Peak Performance Physio Clinic, and this message is, "Hello demo user, we have received your lead and our team member is gonna connect with you very soon and you can schedule your appointment with them. Thank you for contacting us. Regards, Team Peak Performance Physio." So this was the same message that I had in my template in Vati, and I have sent this particular message automatically to my new lead that I have generated through Facebook lead ads. So my integration here between Facebook lead ads and Vati is working successfully, that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead, then I'm sending a WhatsApp message to that particular lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Vati in such a way that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my physiotherapy clinic, then I'm sending an automated WhatsApp message to that particular lead. And let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Vati, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.